Hello students, good morning to all. So last time we have introduced about the geometrical ideas. Okay, so we have started from point to line segment, then curves and polygons. So today we will study about angles and triangles. So let's see. Okay. So look at here, angles. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common starting or initial point. So look at here, angle is made of two rays. Here two rays are there, OM, ON, and starting from a common point. This is your angle. Or if we see, for example, look at this. Okay, so this, if you see, this divider is making angle here. Okay, so you can find different types of angle in everywhere or in every object. Okay, so angle have what? One common point and two rays. Look at here, two rays OM and ON make angle MON, or you can write as angle NOM. Like this, angle sign is like this. Okay, and they have common point. Common point is what? O. Okay. So, the two rays forming the angle are called the arms or sides of the angle. Okay, so look at here, the two rays. Here two rays are what? OM is one ray, ON is one ray. These are forming two sides of the angle. So, sides are what? Sides of angle MON equal to how much? One is OM, okay, another one is ON. Next you see, the common initial point is the vertex of the angle. Okay, and the vertex is always written as the middle letter. Okay, LE. As the middle letter. So look at here, the common initial point is the vertex of the angle, initial point. Okay, means it is always in middle. If you are writing angle MON, the middle letter is vertex of the angle. Or you will write NOM, always the vertex will be in middle. So look at here, at this angle MON, O is the vertex. So vertex of angle MON equal to how much? O. Okay, so it is always, if you are making angle PQR, okay, so vertex is what? Q, and sides are PQ, QR. Next you see, the angle leads to three divisions of region. On the angle, one is interior, one is exterior, okay, and on the angle means boundary of angle. Let's see. Okay, so we'll make one angle. Okay, let's name it X, Y, Z. So here in this angle we have three divisions, means on the angle means this is the boundary of angle. So boundary of angle is what? XY. Okay, so boundary is XY ray, then YZ ray, then this point Y. This is the boundary of angle. Then the interior of angle. So interior of angle is what? We will make this shaded portion. This is the interior of angle. So interior is what? Interior of angle XYZ is the shaded portion. Okay, shaded portion where we have smart shaded. Then exterior means what? Outside. Interior inside, exterior outside. The exterior is what? What is present outside of the angle, that is exterior of the angle. So look at here, what is present in the outside, that is exterior. If I put here point M, point N, these are the what? Exterior of the angle, because these are present on the exterior of the angle. And here Y is vertex, YZ and XY are the side. Okay, so angle has a common end point or starting point or initial point, and with made up of two rays. So here common end point or initial point, that is vertex Y, and two rays are XY and YZ. So this is about angles. Okay, and you can make different angles and you can find out which are sides, which are vertex of that angle. And always you say vertex is in the middle point when you are writing the angle name X, Y, Z. So Y is always in. Or this one you can write as, how you can write this one? Z, Y, X. Z, Y, X also you can write. Always the vertex will be in the middle. Okay. Next we'll see about triangles. Look at here. Triangles. Okay. Tri means three. Tri means three angles you have seen. So triangles, by this you can see there are three angles. Okay. So this tri means three. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. Okay. Or you can say it is also a polygon with the least number of sides. Look here, least number of sides. From here you are starting a polygon. Okay, so it's just three sides. Okay, with polygon with least sides. Okay, but in two side you cannot make a polygon. Okay, with taking two line segment or one line segment. So first polygon you can make. Okay, with how many sides? Three sides. Then 4 side, 5 side, 6 side will go. Okay, that one we'll study later. So first we'll study about triangles. So a triangle is a three-sided polygon. It is also a polygon with least number of sides. So here you see, here triangles means three angles. So how you will denote the triangle? You will put small triangle sign. This is a triangle ABC. You will put triangle, write as a triangle ABC. Okay, and what you can write? Triangles have different portions. Okay, what are the different portions? The points. Okay, those are known as vertices. Okay, and triangle 3 points are there. Those are joining the adjacent sides. So these 3 points are known as joining points are known as 3 common points are there. So side here. In ABC, there are 3 vertices. In triangle ABC, A, B, C. Then sides you count AB, BC and CA. So 3 sides are there, AB, BC, CA. Okay. So in triangle, we have 3 vertices, 3 sides. So let's see about angles. How many angles are there in this triangle? Look at here. 1, 2, 3. 3 angles are there. So angle ABC, angle BCA, BCA, angle CAB. So by now what you have seen, and a triangle have 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. That's why it is a 3-sided polygon. Next you see, a triangle has interior of triangle, boundary and exterior of triangle. So let's find out. First we will make one triangle. Okay. Triangle making is so easy. Okay, with the help of scale you can make triangle. Name it. Okay, we'll name it PQR. Okay, so you will see interior of triangle. What is interior of triangle? the inside portion of the triangle. Okay, this is interior of triangle. So this is what? Interior of triangle. Okay, means inside portion. Boundary, this PQ, QR and PR, the sides, and what is this? PQR. So boundary is what? PQ, QR, RS and PQR. These are the boundary. Okay. Then exterior of triangle means outside. If I'll put M, N, D, this exterior are 3 points M, N, D. So this is about triangle. Okay. So this is about your angle and triangle. I hope you have understood. Okay. Thank you.